Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today, I'm going to show you how to make spicy Thai basil with chicken or ผัดกะเพราไก่ Okay, I have everything already prepared, so now we're going to get started. So first, I'm going to start with the 2 tablespoons the cooking oil. Now I just put the medium heat, so 2 tablespoons the cooking oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons the cooking oil, and then next it's gonna be chili and garlic. I use the 6 cloves of garlic and then 6 Thai chili. For the spicy, if you cannot handle very spicy, it's 6 chili very spicy, so just cut down the chili. Okay. So now chili and garlic go in. Alright, I'm going to give this mix. Okay, and the chili and garlic is cooked really fast, and now they start getting really good smell. Okay, keep mixing them because the garlic can burn really quick too. And then now they give you really good smell. You can see the garlic start changing color. Next, we're going to add our protein. Today, I say in the beginning, we use chicken. I'm going to turn on the high heat right now and add the chicken. The chicken I cut to the bite size, and I use 1.5 pound chicken breast. Alright, so cut to the bite size. I'm gonna press all the chicken. Just wait for a second before I mix them. I want to make sure the wok is very hot, and then char the chicken to the bottom before we start stir fry. Alright, and now I'm going to start mix our chicken. After 1 minute, I let the chicken cook. As you can see on the pan. Okay, keep stirring them. Make sure all the chili and garlic are covered. But right now, sorry, right now the chili and garlic starting cooking and start to give you a coughing smell. But that means it's really good. And you want to do the high heat the whole time. And now I have a 2 tablespoons water I put in the pestle and mortar. Just add them. Okay, so they have a little bit of liquid. But if you like really dry, you don't like the saucy, you don't have to add the water. But this is like, I like my chicken a little saucy. Okay, and now our chicken is halfway done. We're going to start seasoning. Okay, I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons the black soy sauce. 2 tablespoons black soy sauce going, and next I'm going to use 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Let me get 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Alright, and next gonna be 2 tablespoons the oyster sauce. Oh, sorry, the chili and garlic gonna be really got me right now. Okay, open up all my sinus. Get me cough a little bit. Okay, and another 2 tablespoons the Golden Mountain seasoning soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. 1. Okay, 2. Okay. And next I have the half teaspoon chicken bouillon and half teaspoon white pepper. Okay, but the white pepper is gonna add another heat, another hot flavor. If you don't like it, just put a little bit. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar. It will balance all the saltiness. And now I'm going to give the good mix. Oh, look at this, how saucy the chicken. Because it has more water come out from the chicken. I like my spicy basil chicken a little bit of saucy, so I can put all the sauce with rice. They will taste really good. Okay, and now stir them until the chicken is cooked well done cooking. Now I'm stirring the chicken until they really well done cooking. So now I'm going to give this a taste. I know it's gonna be really spicy for sure. I can smell it. Really very spicy and a little bit of sweet and salty. And then now last thing I'm going to add, it will be Thai basil. I use a 4 cup Thai basil. Okay, all the basil going. Now middle of the weekday, so I don't know what I'm going to cook today. I want something nice and easy. That's why I doing the spicy Thai basil with chicken. Okay, and also my basil, they start coming back from the winter. So now the basil start coming back. That's why this recipe perfect. Oh my goodness, the chili make my nose running. Okay, and now that's it. You put the 4 cup the Thai chili and give them a very good mix. Make sure it cover all the chicken and all the sauce. Now we're done. I'm just going to turn off the heat. Okay, and the cameraman just tell me I say 4 cup of Thai chili, but you know I mean like 4 cup of the Thai basil, but they're not a lot when they cook it down. They just like spinach, it just all disappear. It just give you a really good flavor. Okay, and now look at this. Look at this. Now I'm going to serve with the Thai jasmine rice, of course. Okay, I'm gonna put the chicken on top of the jasmine rice. Oh my god, and look at all this saucy. Put the chicken much you like, and the spicy Thai basil. I only like to serving and eating with the crispy fried egg. I might broke the yolk, but here put on top here, and just garnishing with the, if you have a fresh Thai basil, put it right there. That's it. Okay, and now we got everything, fried egg, some chicken. Now I also have the condiment sauce. I have the recipe for them too. If you want to know how to make just a classic Thai condiment sauce, just I will put the link for you below. I'm gonna put a little bit on top everything, and the egg too. I lost some egg yolk, but I have chicken and egg, and like a little bit of chili here too. Smell really good. Wow, really good. Spicy, and Thai basil aroma flavor, sweet and salty. Wow, this is a very easy weekday recipe. If you don't know what you're gonna cook and you feel like you want stir fry and Thai food, please try this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.